Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com. Welcome to another episode of Driving with John Chow. I want to answer a viewer comment I received yesterday from one of my videos, and that comment was, "No more income reports?" Question mark. I guess the viewer is referring to when I post my daily mob earnings in my vlogs. I used to what I did was when I was doing my vlog, I would show the income I made in the morning, how much money I made while I was sleeping, and then at the end of the day, I would show how much money I made at the end of the day, and then you would see that, from the beginning of the day, the end of the day, I would make thousands of dollars. So asking, why have I stopped doing those, and why have I stopped? The answer is kind of yes and a no. The reason doing daily vlogs was fun for a while, and when I first started and trying to experiment and stuff. However, what I found is doing daily vlogs, it's really hard. It's really tough. See, let me try to explain it, I guess, in this way. What I like to do is when I'm doing videos or when I'm doing blog posts, I like to batch all my work. So instead of doing a blog post a day or a video a day, which is what I do when you see on a blog, every day there's a new blog post, and on a YouTube channel every day there's a new video. But the thing is, they're not made once a day. What I do is I batch them. I would create like 5 videos during one session, like I'm doing right now. Like this is actually just a continuation of yesterday's video. I'm in the same spot, but it's the same time. It's the same time. That's all it is. Yeah, and tomorrow's video will probably be another one, me just sitting here doing that. But yeah, I batch them, and then what I do is I will make like 5 videos all in one sitting, and then I would make it timestamp them to go live every single day. Same thing on my blog. Right now, actually, I have over 400 blog posts in the queue waiting to go live. So I could actually, if I want, I could take up for an entire year, and there'll still be a blog post every single day. And I try to do that with my video as well. This gives me a nice cushion in case, I'm running out of ideas or whatever, I go away on vacation, or I can't make a video that day. I will have a video go live. When doing those daily vlogs, that was not possible because it actually done in that day. Like I actually say that, hey, it's Monday, April, whatever, and that was that day. So then I would edit it and have it go live on that same day. And then Tuesday, start that video on Tuesday, edit that video, go live on Tuesday. Wednesday, exact same thing. And it gave me no cushion. There was no cushion. Like if something happened, emergency comes up, I can't not have a video go live every single day. So so because of that, that's why I kind of like stepped away from that kind of format and gone back to these driving style videos and the lunch style videos, those kind of stuff, simply because I can batch them. So this does not mean I stopped doing income report. All right, so I will be doing my income reports, and so I'll be going back to regularly doing the monthly income report. So at the end of the month, I'll do a report on how much I made the previous month. But I'm actually even thinking of maybe not doing that anymore. And the reason why is like the original reason I did these income reports was to show that it is possible to make money online, and I'm living proof of that. So that was the reason, to show proof that it can be done. Like, if some guy from mainland China whose English is a second language, who grew up in the downtown east side of Vancouver, if that person can make a living by creating videos and making money online, then you have no excuse. That's the original reason. But the problem is that my income now is at such a level that is, for the majority of people watching my videos, they can't relate to that anymore. Like when you're making over $100,000 a month and you're showing income levels at $100,000, $200,000 a month, most people cannot relate to that, because that number is just so beyond them that it's like a disconnect. It's like, I guess, it's a disconnect. Basically, it's like you might as well be a movie star or Bill Gates or something like that. It's just not relatable. So I find that when I post videos of what I made versus when I post a video of an up-and-comer internet marketer, like someone who just started making money online and seeing some results, and I'm not showing the hundreds of thousands of dollars, but I'm showing like they just made their first $1,000 or they made their first $100. Well, I find when I show those kind of videos, it gets a lot bigger response because A, it's a lot more relatable. B, odds are that person who I'm profiling is right now just has going through what you are going through. So it's way more relatable, and as a result, it's just a better response. So I don't know. I like to hear. Let me know what you think. You think I should actually continue with the monthly income report, even though, like I said, the numbers are just getting kind of ridiculous. And even myself, I mean, if you would have asked me like just even 5 years ago, would I be making this kind of money? Yeah, now, and I would say no. The answer is I never thought I would be getting to this level. But and so if I'm thinking that myself, I'm thinking a new person looking at that, and this actually raises other negatives as well, saying that that's fake. No way you're making that kind of money. So it gets into those certain issues as well, and so we will see. Well, we're going back to the monthly income report, but so monthly income report is just showing lifestyle, because really the truth of the matter is it's not really the money or the actual amount of money I make that's important. It's the lifestyle, the fact that, because you don't really need to make 6 figures a month to live the .com lifestyle. I mean, .com lifestyle means time freedom, money freedom, location freedom. All you gotta do, if you can replace if your job pays for all the bills and your internet business replaces your income, and so you can quit your job, you basically have the .com lifestyle now. And for a lot of people, that doesn't require a lot of money. It depends on the country you live in. Like I said, I know I have 2 friends. They live in Costa Rica, and the cost of living in Costa Rica is very, very low. When they were full-time bloggers, when they were making just about $1,200 a month. Full-time, because the cost of living in Costa Rica is so low. So they will dedicate all their time to running their blog. And now I think they're up to like $6,000 or $7,000 a month now. So they're doing really, really well. And because they live in Costa Rica, and but $6,000 or $7,000 a month here would be okay. California, yeah, it depends on what part of California you're living in. Orange County is okay. San Francisco, you're still broke. But yeah. So yeah. But I'd love to hear your feedback. I mean, I personally, moving forward, think it'll be better to profile up and coming internet marketer, tell their story, their struggles, what they're doing, what's working for them, what's not working for them. So I think I should be better to show that than just saying, "Hey guys, I made $20,000 today." So let me know what you think. I love to hear your feedback, and yeah. So like I said, my channel is designed to serve you. So the best way to serve you guys is to have you tell me what you want. All right. So let me know. All right. All right. John Shaw for JohnShaw.com. Thank you very much for listening. Give me a thumbs up if you like that. Like and share my videos. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on the next episode.